Hello everyone, welcome to Amaya. This is Bruce. He will be your captain. And I'm Begoña. I will be your chef, but today I'm your guide. So here we are. We are in Rhode Island, still a little bit far away from BVI's, but getting there. So here, let's start from the back. We normally put here the leather for our guests to be able to go in and out of the water. Is a shower there where they can quickly rinse themselves to get the salt out of their bodies. And the shower obviously is warm and cold water. Here is our Ferrari, a beautiful tender that is really fast. This couch, it can turn around on the other direction, so when the platform is down, guests can sit there and enjoy the view of the sea. This lounge here can go up and down, so you can choose different positions to have a good rest. We set up the table here today for 8 people, just to give you an idea of how spacious it can be. And other things to add on our aft deck, of course, the C-Bob. We actually got 2 of them. One of them is brand new, never used, and got a camera on it. Or sun creams that we offer to our guests. And down here we got a fridge and a freezer and water purify system. Let me go up to show you quickly our flybridge. As I say, we are ready to go to BVI, so we got these terrible containers here full of diesel, so don't look too much. Here we got different areas for guests to enjoy and sit and relax, have sundowners, best location for it, and also to enjoy during passages. These chairs are foldable and they are very good also for being lying in the platform. They're easy to move. Here is where we are normally sitting our cocktails, or cocktail bar, and another fridge, another ice maker, and another water system, and of course the barbecue that I'm not really allowed to touch because, as you will see, Bruce is South African and doesn't let me do it. Going down, let's go to the front of the boat. As you can see, got so much space everywhere, and this is really amazing. We got 2 trampolines that are gigantic and a very nice comfortable sitting line area that can be used for everything. Also for passage, you got a nice breeze here for being reading your books, for being lying, sunbathing, anything. And let's go and see the inside. Well, as you can see, these doors are completely opening to give us even more feeling of open space. So down here, I'm not going to show you all the boat because really I don't have time. So I'm going to try to be quick. Down here is 1 queen cabin and all laundry. We got the beautiful lounge with the massive TV. There is my galley where I spend most of the time. We got 2 ovens to be able to cater for big groups, gas stove, and everything nice and tidy and hiding. Down here we got another 2 queen cabins, very comfortable ones. And let's go to port side. down. If we are turning left, we got the master cabin that, as you see, is really good and with a lovely view. The master cabin got an independent shower, and here is the bathroom. This is all lovely toiletry brand. I will tell you more when you're on board, but we really love it. Very nice. And so we go out. I show you an example of one of our queen cabins. Really nice as well. A lot of space on it, a lot of closets, lovely. As you see, we got a lot of glasses here, mirrors everywhere. The head on a queen cabin, the head and the shower with everything that you can possibly need. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope to see you around. We are not ready yet, but we will be. And see you soon.